Thank you for choosing HQUA. In this video, we will guide you through the installation process for the TWS series UV sterilizer. Before starting, make sure your water quality meets the required range. If it doesn't, you may need to install a water pre-treatment system. To begin, check that you have all the included parts and the tools needed for installation. Once you determine the location for installing the UV system based on your pipeline setup, locate the bracket screw spots with a marker and drill at them. Secure the mounting brackets using screws. If you are mounting it directly to a wall, you'll need to use the provided expansion screws. Repeat the same process for the second bracket, ensuring that both brackets are aligned along the same center line. Attach the other part of the brackets, but only tighten the screws halfway for now. Repeat the same process for the second bracket. Take the stainless steel chamber, which has two ports that can serve as either the inlet or outlet. For optimal performance, we recommend using the port near the clips as the inlet to avoid water pressure drops. Next, remove the two end caps from the stainless steel chamber. Note that the two end caps are different. One is an open end cap for inserting the UV bulb, and the other is a closed end cap. Set them aside. Put on your gloves. Avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Carefully take out the quartz sleeve from its protective packaging. Inspect it to ensure there are no cracks. Be aware that the quartz sleeve has two distinct ends. One is closed, and the other is open. Now, take the O-rings, which have a smooth inner side and a raised outer side. Slide the O-ring onto the open end of the quartz sleeve. Ensure that the smooth side of the O-ring faces the glass tube, positioning it about ½ an inch from the edge. Alternatively, if you notice the O-ring marking on the quartz sleeve, place the O-ring just below the indicated line. If you accidentally leave fingerprints or smudges on the quartz sleeve, use a microfiber cloth to clean it. Locate the end of the stainless steel chamber near the inlet and outlet ports, and gently insert the quartz sleeve into the chamber until it emerges from the other side. On this side, install the second O-ring onto the quartz sleeve, ensuring it fits tightly against the chamber. You can apply silicone grease on both sides of the O-ring if necessary. Take the closed end cap that you removed earlier and attach it to this end, hand tightening it only. Repeat the same with the open end cap on the other side. Once both end caps are securely in place, carefully place the chamber into the brackets you installed earlier. Tighten the screws for both brackets to firmly secure the stainless steel chamber to the wall. Remove the protective caps and connect it to your pipe system. We recommend using metal pipe or metal elbow fittings on the port near the UV light to avoid issues related to thermal expansion or material degradation from UV exposure. Next, turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Take the ballast and attach it to the wall near the chamber. Remove the UV bulb from its packaging and inspect it for any damage. As before, avoid touching the lamp with your bare hands. You'll notice that the UV bulb has two distinct ends. One end is pinless, while the other is with 4 pins. Connect the 4 pins to the terminals on the ballast securely. Gently push the lamp and ballast assembly into the chamber until you hear a click. Finally, plug the ballast into a power source. You should see the green indicator on the ballast turn on, along with a blue glow visible through the small holes in the closed end cap. The UV sterilizer is now fully installed and operational. Thank you for watching. Enjoy safe, clean water with your HQUA UV sterilizer.